This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. Sophisticated 2-bedroom/2-bath condo located in the heart of downtown Norfolk. Open floor plan with a cook's kitchen and a walk-in pantry. Renovated bathrooms with luxurious appointments. Enjoy the convenience of a secure entrance from the Freemason Parking Garage just a few steps from your front door. Assigned storage, number 17, and reserved parking space, $65 per month. New water heater in 2020. Easily walk from here to Granby Street, Town Point Park and the Neon District. Easy to show and move in ready. For more information, review the details below.